Okay, I'm heading out here from my home in the Southwest Valley, Decatur and Warm Springs, out to the Hoover Dam and the Hoover Dam Lodge charging station, and we'll see how we do. This is my 2016 Nissan Leaf SL. Alright, we made it here to the Hoover Dam Lodge and are at 68%. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the charging station. It's right off the highway. Right as you pull in from the sign, there's these green spots. They're pretty easy to find. And there's a couple charging stations here. They actually have, oh, these are Tesla chargers. This isn't the right one. Or does it have another port? Yeah, okay, there's more than one. One's a Tesla and one's a Hoover, which is a non-network charger. We'll just try this and get it plugged in. Bingo. Good. No app or anything needed for that. So I guess you have both Tesla and Clipper Creek. And let's take a look and see how we're charging here. It's 6 kilowatt. One, fantastic. Okay, so we'll see how we do. It's at 68%. I'm gonna go take a little walk and come back. Okay, I went for a 30-minute walk and I'm at 80%. So I'd say that's good. Not a bad charger here. Now I'm probably gonna head back to town, maybe stop at Sam's Club, or maybe just actually head straight back to the house and see what I